Look how the man a move. Hear how the man a carry on. People, you can't tell me say that boy yana one big old super stinking dirty perch. One big dirty sprat fish. Look how the umbre posts up. Look how him a move, people. Look how the man a carry himself. That's not manly. As a man, where you really a promote, dog. No.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Yes, people, you don't know Media Fox, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. People wanna go on with. Yo, we have to give thanks to life, you know, people. You understand? Big up all of the supporters, you understand? Yeah, man. You don't know, we have to give God thanks. You see me? Protection to all of you, you see me? Big up all of the supporters them again. You see me? But we have something we want to talk about, you see me? Yeah, people. You see it? Yeah, man, because we see Kartel cheerleader run out again. Jano, may I tell you that one you man get worse than Lisa Hype right now, people. May I tell you? One Kevin, boy, I don't know what going on. I'm going to get some help. I don't know. Kartel have to go call him and tell him easy. Because the way I'm going, I don't know. Him alone, I see attack Foota so to rot it. I wonder how I'm going. I don't know what wrong with this youth. Brother, what make your emotions get so high? Jano, brother, yo, people. Nobody never know that brother when Kartel is prison, you know? Nobody know that brother, you know? After when Kartel release and prison, you know? He man start rant. I say, yo, what want to tell people? You have no injection fee or something, because something really wrong with him, you know? It really wrong with him. Because the way man get high, bro. If you go on over a man, do you know, brother, have this gone to? Look what Kevin have to say.
Foota, you are cancelled from ever going around Gaza camp. You are cancelled from ever going around Bounty Killer. The warlord. You are cancelled.
Oh.
No longer needed around the people them. Foota hype, all you do is go around the man them, gather up information to use against them later. Foota hype, you move as if you are a serial informer. And you know,
I just see video a while ago. This man here say, yo, Foota hype, this Foota hype, that Foota hype, are informer and all of them look at something there. But wait the people. Since he must say Foota informer, check out that video here.
Me I go talk about squash and what I go on with squash 100%. So this is what's going on with squash right now. Squash have been arrested yesterday. And where he was is with Sean Kingston by a local board party where them did have. You understand? So the feds was actually watching squash. And when squash goes and move towards a car and stand up outside the car, the driver where they in the car have a strap on him. And him also have a strap under the seat. And a neck strap in the glove compartment. Squash did not enter this car as yet. The feds them run down pan squash, hold him because them know the car. Run through the car and actually took him, lock him up and put the charge for him for the gun them. Squash did not enter the car.
I just watch a video a while ago, people. So you say Foota hype farmer, but brother, you are one too. Remember what you did do? Remember, you know, with the little squash thing and what really are going on, you know? Remember say, you know? And you come out and talk one bag of thing you talk about. So when you check it, you're informer too. Because the way you come out with that detail, yeah, and you never did it. You don't know where you get this from. You understand? You call man informer and all of them little things. The brother, if you come down now, bro, you're a man, bro. Yo, Kartel need to, I don't know, somebody need for, Kartel need to give man one girl, bro. To calm him down. He look like too much oil in this man your back or what. You understand? Like, that brother, yeah, I don't know him. He need a woman. You see me? Yeah, he need a woman, but no, people. No, cause you look like you really want a woman, you know. Somebody look away. We might go on something wrong. You understand? I don't know if man got it. Yeah, people, but that brother here go too hard now, man. Yo, no man, you look like he need injection, man. Yeah, injection. Yeah, man, cause an injection he need right now. That can't help him. Something really wrong with that brother here. You understand? Really, brother. 24/7 you get up. Bro, are you alone at this, you know? Are you alone to do all of this, bro? Are you do this over one man? You understand? Bro, yo, John, dog. Look, people. When you realize, when you look how that brother move in a vehicle.
And also things to use against you. So if for instance, you have a woman and you cheat on her and Foota hype no, it is not a secret. If you pay one police for something that you did wrong and you think that it is a secret and Foota hype.
Wanna look? Cause him and Foota do the same thing, you know. Zane, him and Foota hype do the same thing. Where them sit down in a car and them talk about people, but look at now. The thing is that, you know, Foota think kind of versatile. Foota deal with different topics. Sometimes Foota go live, Foota we play music and promote people music and all of them go something there. But that one your brother, the way man a go like a skettle in a van. I want car. You understand? The man a move like a skettle. And when him talk, the way him set himself in a chair. Like some girl. Man, oh, brother, come down now, brother. Because, bro, you make things look worse, bro. I saw it. So 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, you go on some of a man. Him, brother, yo, dog, me I tell you people. I first me ever see this. Me I tell you, it a get serious people. Yo, look at you now. Mind the man drop down in the car, you know. Because the way man a go on in pressure, a roll high. You understand? In pressure, a roll high. Because this nah make no sense. It nah make no sense, people. The way man a go on. Cause fan with you know. Fan with you beat him, you know. Cause he come like say, I don't know, Kartel have to go link him. Because if Kartel no link this man in pressure go up. And then I forgot admit him, cause the way man a move, it come like say man emotions a get higher and higher. Right now blood pressure well high. And a Vybz Kartel cause a Vybz Kartel man run for. You understand? But me don't know, you see that behavior your people? This is not a man behavior. No man, no real Jenna. Now go sit down in a car and cuss like this, brother. Like them man come like some man will sit down with one bag of girl and gossip. You understand? And that me see it as one bag of girl and gossip. You understand? Cause you sit down in a car and every day, bro, and you chat one bag of thing and all of them something. This not make no sense, bro. Brother, man up, brother. If I saw you, bro, Jano. If you're not defending a woman, it wouldn't be so bad, bro. But, bro, when your woman, like, yo, me say, bro, me I tell you people, me say, femme girl, if him have woman, and femme woman a go on, no man, something wrong. I know one woman that. Me I tell you. Cause no real woman now go sit down and see the man in a car, a cuss over one man, so, for about couple months now from last year. You understand? We don't know what wrong with him, but if you don't realize the Foota type, nah, give him no forward. Cause Foota type, she say, is a sheep, this. Yeah, Foota type, she say, is a sheep, this. So that's why you see Foota type now really come address him, cause him need help. You understand? Him need help, people. That brother here just sit down every day and in a car. People, I want to find a car, must sleep, cause brother, at night and day, 24/7, him in there. You understand? We man move, me know say Foota type sit down in a car and thing, you know. But, boy, me never yet see, them say my DJ, but me never see my DJ nothing yet. You understand? Me never see my DJ nothing yet. Me never see him pan no sound or select all of them or something. My DJ in a car over one man. You understand? But people look here. Go and watch a video where that woman you talk about. Cause this is getting really serious, you know.
It for joke, you know. Because you see, the man come from prison with a purpose. The man come from prison and just a sprinkle beer prosperity and beer good luck in the dancehall fraternity. Or bounty killer get back in visa. Some people me see I get back visa since Kartel come from prison and get female. And like the man just come out and yo, hey, when Father God say yes, no PT test. When God say yes, nobody can say no. Uno not talk about that. Big up Ground Godzilla. A one blood clip bounty killer. One alliance. Yeah man, one general.
Why people? I don't know, you know. You come like the sheep them. I really don't know. I can't. I don't know. I don't know. Mental illness are going on the media. So this woman I go say from Vybz Kartel come from prison. Things that happen for artists and are bound to get back in visa and basically she say a cartel whatsoever momentum or whatsoever I make bound to get back visa and I don't know, may I tell you right. People, may I tell you, this I get serious, you know. This really I get serious. You understand? Really I get serious. Because to me, you know say sheep them really have Vybz Kartel as them fans and as Imbo fans. Them God. Because when we realize some cartel come from prison, everything will happen, a cartel invent it. Yeah man, cartel make 18 private jet for Jamaica. Wow. Yeah man. Cartel make the economy growth. People travel. Yeah man. Nobody never travel come to Jamaica. Christmas time, nobody never afford Jamaica. Yeah, man, a cartel make people start fly out for Christmas. And a lot of air traffic and all of them. So, yeah, man, a cartel, man. There's nothing cartel not invent. So, look at now. It look like Vybz Kartel work up at embassy now. Yeah, man, he work up at embassy, man. Now he make bounty get back in visa, man. Hear sheep, they attack. Cause, me I tell you, say, you know, them people here, some of the time, the way them talk something, you know, it just not make no sense, people. You understand? It just not make no sense. Cause I don't know how comes cartel have to do nothing with visa. You understand? Cause if cartel have that power, as him land out of prison, buying the next day visa ready, he would have start fly already. You understand? So for that woman you thought them all last sort of thing, like when we realize say yo, them people is like, yo, a cartel make the world go around, man. Yeah, man. I make the world go around. You see, because in sheeps them outside, I eat grass and them brain disappear. You see, because them not have cartel not really feel nothing, you know. You understand? Why for that? But I'm sheep them feel all I'm feelings. I tell you. Come remember, you know, you know, say cartel come out and a rant and a this and a ray and a this up Foota or whosoever talk about him, you know. And sheep them a do it. You understand? Yeah, man, and sheep them a do it, man. So my time people, when you see certain things and see all them people in the street, it don't make no sense. You see it? It don't make no sense at all. You see it? So when we see all of this, we did that one, you know, because, yo, me not like that brother here. Yo, that brother here, when him Kevin too, you know. Him, people, so there is something I go bust out about him, you know. Yeah, man, something I go bust out about him, man, because the way him a go on, he no look like a woman thing for him thing, because, brother, for you a go on so, bro, like, no, that this get serious. I tell you people, this really get serious. You see it? This really get serious. Cartel have to go get him sheep, you know, because remember him say he my shepherd. You understand? Yeah, man, I have to go get them, man. You see it? Because we know say a lot of things are going foot type and cartel thing, you know, don't they must say why Shana cause this and all that sort of things and where one bag of thing. You understand? So at the end of the day, what you mean? Anybody well Foota talk about him little thing and you know him baby mother they run scatter them and Vybz Kartel them, so yeah, I'm gonna show him shots and way. But remember say before cartel, when the cartel they are prison, Foota been not talk about cartel still. So and I personally really have to do with nothing with Aishana, because I don't feel like say Foota have him one bag of girl them, you know. Yeah, man, Foota have him girl them, man, but him just not show him thing. You understand? Yeah, him have him one bag of girl them, man. Because remember, you know, and I like such man, you know, him life is like a open book. You see, but right now, in a dance hall, I tell the people, he just on a cruising mode right now. You see me? Yeah, they're on a cruising mode right now, because I think say cartel would have moved with genre, but I don't know. The way man them talk. And these are the things, you know, you see when you prep up certain things and you make your talk and you know say, yo, you know, do your facts check and all of them look something there, because, bro, cartel about 49 or so. You see me? You have a great catalog, so you have to just go and do him shows and every little thing, but the genre thing, you have to just allow that him alone can't do it. You understand? Yeah, man, him alone can't do it, man. You see me? But people, somebody have got to take Kevin out of that car because he look like he must end up at Bellevue, you know, cause the way man around, I don't know, he look like them PM, you know. Yeah, man, them PM, man. I tell you, if them not pay Kevin something wrong. I tell you, because regular more than talk about other things, but he might attack Foota. No, man, he get pay, man. I tell you, him get pay for attack Foota, because him alone, me see I do it, but it's like the man emotions too high. That brother here, I don't know, but that man I love Trace. No, man, this a brother here, he have too much woman friend and sit down and gossip, man. Too much is brother. Yeah, man. If him a chat so, remember say them say my DJ now, but if him a chat so, imagine when he know one party I select, no song can get to play, man. Because when he done talk, man, the party done. You understand? Because that brother here, they have to go, I don't know, they have to go inject him and put him in a room. They have to go do him like Lisa Hype right now, because although Lisa Hype was affected, but him, I don't know what make him a go and so.
You know, see, say, lock it can't bus. Lock it a try bus all long and couldn't bus. The only bus where lock it bus is Foota Hype bus for him. And tell him woman say him a with Daima. That's the only bus him bus. The biggest bus lock it ever get from Foota Hype.
You understand? Yeah, man, I don't know what make him a go and so, man. So, people, I tell you, them need to go get Kevin out of care, because I don't know, Kartel, you have to go link him up. You have to go link up Kevin, because I'm mad him out, you know. You understand? And see the people them say, yo, are you bound to get back? Are you going to get back visa or all sort of thing? You see, some of the time people, when Kartel come from prison, man them say no artist not drop no song. Artists them afraid, artists bad mind, one sort of thing. I say, yo, some of the time, I see why back then no youth couldn't really dominate certain way, you know. Because, yo, the way the man them highlight that man to royalty, did a feel say him invent dancehall. And if in time come, him go carry dancehall with him. And that more when the people, because that man make so many things happen for him forward out. But when you facts check it, it's nonsense, it don't make no sense. You understand? Because they want to use a brother for blackball all of the artists them. Because how can one man in a genre make all of the artists them stop drop song? We don't understand. Because the only way you could have seen that is if you pre one man. And one man you pre in a genre, so that's why you're not going to see the other artists them drop song. You understand? Because dancehall thing right now, people are drop a vlog, you know. I have to talk about the dancehall thing when it comes to artist value. You see me? And fan equity and all of them look something there. So look out for the next video, people, you see me? Yeah, I have to drop something on that. You understand? But people, you see, in a life, sometimes you have to just have your own mindset. You understand? You have to just think like, and everything you see in the media, you have to just run and believe it. You understand? Because sometimes some people just fall upon the media to get some clout and say some slackness. You understand? Yeah, man, some slackness. You see it? Because I just one of them things, the people, I just one of them things. You see it? And you don't know, once you have life, you see me, you have riches. You see it? Once you have riches, you have wealth. So, I have to say, people, somebody go call them those people them now and get rid of Kevin car. Man, I tell Foota, man, I say, yo, Foota forget cancel and all that sort of thing. I say, yo, Jano. Yeah, man, I say, Foota if you cancel Foota and all of them something. I don't know where Foota do this. But I don't know, you know, Foota, I don't know where Foota for come talk, where him do this man, you know. Yeah, man, them have to come talk where him do this man, because where man go on that thing, say Foota sleep with the woman or whatsoever. Because I couldn't want man, him defend over one man. So, if you don't realize, people, in the media right now, nobody not defend Kartel like how him do it. And yo, you say if it's a woman that sit down in one car and defend Kartel, so yo, me wouldn't like nothing would wrong with that. Like, me wouldn't have a problem because it's a woman and she rate a man. Woman bring out a lot of emotions and you know, they would defend certain things and but bro, that youth, yeah.
When Foota I bust per lock it. People.
Hello.
No one. Me I beg your busy signal. Get busy. Go get some lime and blue. Busy signal, wipe out your house. That the man that will make you lose your house. Alone. Foota hyper crosses. Foota hype are AIDS. It's a disease you can't get rid of so easy. You have to go check Magic Johnson and ask him how him get rid of female. Because Foota hype put one disease out there when a cure not really there for. Bad mind our wicked disease. Who not just leave him alone. You see my retreater now too. Him realize say money they in the circle you know. And him a go come. You know sister you try to make nothing lose him job. Nothing I lose him job because Adi already understand.
I tell you, brother, yo, it's different when in one car and you talk about things, you know. Different thing, different topic. But bro, from Kartel come out, this a man that does in a vehicle from last year, I rant a chat and all sort of things. You see me? And me never yet see no picture, no video with this a man. I don't know what, I don't know. This a brother, he want some clothes to carry feelings here, man. I realize, I just be a man, me see really a different Kartel. Me not too see no woman at all. Any woman at 1%, but the other 99% a man. Me don't know how them do it. You understand? Yeah, man. Me don't know how them do it. You see it? Like, you can't find 10 women where you see found out a different Kartel. I tell you. You can't find 10 women daily. You come like a man, them, me don't know how to write it. As a male artist, a woman attached to male artist. And male attached to female artist. But me don't know what happened. Me don't know. Me don't know if a Kartel bring out something in them money, like I bring out them real self. The self where them a hide. And that because you can't see one woman run for you guys about some one. Where woman there? Where woman them there? Huh? A be a man around for a male artist a wagwan. This don't look good. This can't look good. Me I tell you people. You must have 1 and 2 female where we say yo Ray a different them artists one. You understand? You know one car or something, but that brother Calm down, Kevin. Calm down. Calm down, bro. You see me? Remember say I see them position. You're in right now, cause I see them supposed to go on so. You understand? The way you're going, bro, you wonder if you don't want to say it, but bro, come down now. You can't done now, brother. You understand? What if the next 5 years you go sit down and care cuss people over one man, brother? You know no family, nothing, you know no boy, you know, brother, I don't know. People never go fight. I don't know if I go find him a woman, you know, cause it look like maybe she not a woman say I focus on a man and a defend a man. Maybe he need a woman or I don't know, or some family to defend, cause something really wrong with that brother. To me, me say, him not a woman. I tell you, any woman him there with, something wrong with she too. You understand? Something really wrong with she. You see? Cause I don't know where you want out of this, bro. You're not gonna get nowhere with this, you know. Cause you alone do it. You're not gonna get nowhere with this, brother. That me I tell you. Cause no matter what Foota I do, you know. Me see Foota I do shows. Me see Foota get bookings and all of them look something there. But me don't know if you are get no bookings, brother. Me no see you no party or DJ or whatsoever. Me never see no video. So me don't know where you are gonna try to earn from this. You see me? But people they don't know, you know. A media facts, you see me? You see it? Yeah, man. Big up the people and respect for the support. Like, share, and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, man. You know the thing go. You see it? Have a blessed day, people, yeah? That is it.